If you're looking for a beautiful mountain treat where you can build your dream house or mountain getaway with a majestic mountain view, this is a great property for you. The parcel is at the southern portion of Colorado. So you can see here it's around a 2.5 hour drive from Denver. And there are notable cities such as Colorado Springs, which is closer to the parcel. As you can see here, there are multiple landmarks. So you are close to Florissant, Pikes Peak, Woodland Park, the Beaver Creek State Wildlife Area, among other many cities. So this is a great position, or this is a very accessible position for a parcel. The closest city to this property is Cañon City. So it's only a 30-minute drive to the property. This gorgeous 1.92-acre land has easy access to camping, hiking, biking, fishing, four-wheeling, and much more. So this has no HOA and no POA, so you have tons of freedom on this property, and you can build later, or you can just retain the land without building anything because there's no time to build. So don't miss this opportunity to have your own land that's accessible and in a desirable area for a great price. Also, we do owner financing other than cash. This 1.92-acre lot has a slightly sloped terrain, and its best attribute is the treed mountain land surrounded by mountains, as seen earlier. So the annual approximate property tax is $249, and the zoning code is residential. The general elevation is around 8,194 feet. And for water, you just need to install or drill a well. And for power or electricity, you can opt for city power or solar power. And for sewer or the sewage system, you just have to install a septic tank. And the road is right by the property, and it's a dirt road. This is Joseph. Please call us at 463-218-7280 or email us at info@cheaplandfarm.com. It's best to go to our website to view all the properties we have in detail. Also, you can go here at our FAQ section so you can review the common questions we receive so you'll have a better idea on how our process works and whatnot. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe. Bye for now.